Hi everybody and welcome to the garden. Today we're going to talk about growing Proven Winners Superbells. To start, let me say that Proven Winners has an amazing 42 different varieties of Superbells on their website right now. They have a ton of color options and some even have double blooms. To answer your next question, no, this video is not sponsored by Proven Winners. They just have some stunning annuals that really are amazing to grow. Superbells are part sun to full sun trailing annual. They will grow 6 to 12 inches tall and 1 to 2 feet wide, and they are self-pruning. They don't like to live in damp soil, so if you do have good drainage, you should put them in containers. They need regular fertilizing, which is typically once a week. If the foliage is yellow and you are fertilizing, you'll need to check the pH. It might be too high or too low. If the pH is too high or too low, it can be hard for the plant to take up iron. Sometimes they can get a little leggy in midsummer. That means they are a little more open and aren't looking as good. You want to give them a pruning just to cut it back all over, which will stimulate new growth. Aphids really like to munch on Superbells. You can use insecticide soap or Captain Jack Dead's Bud to get rid of them. Also, budworms can be a problem, and using BT can help. I do a preventative spray of BT weekly on my Superbells and Supertunias because budworms can be a big problem and they can quickly destroy all the blooms and can take weeks for the plants to start looking nice again. Thanks for watching and have fun in your garden. Bye.